Lucy Hale, and in celebration of my new single, You Sound Good to Me, being released, MTV is going to test me to identify the following sounds. Hunger Games. Is this the right? Yes! I love that movie. Siri. That thing always gets me. Yeah, Siri. I'm good at this game.
Got a secret, can you keep it? Swear this one.
ELL. I'm gonna have to do this for the rest of my life, I know it.
Calling all the basic bitches. Calling all the basic bitches. There's a new announcement. You're basic.
I have no idea. Is that a made-up one?
It's this internet kid named Lohanthony, and it's like...
Calling all the basic bitches.
I'm gonna make you love me. Oh.
That would be 13-year-old Lucy Hale on American Juniors, people. Wow, that's embarrassing. My outfit. I need everyone to go Google Lucy Hale American Juniors. I'm gonna make you love me and see my sweet outfit I chose to wear. What is that noise? It's kind of creepy. Like, what is that supposed to be?
It's like when you have a message.
Yeah, but like, what is that supposed to mean? I would download that app and immediately delete it because that noise is weird.